Do you also have such troubles when installing cameras?
This is probably one of the easiest outdoor-indoor security cameras you will ever install.
My driveway area right here, I just stuck it to that utility box. I can pull it down when it needs a charge at a later date. Just pull it right off of the magnetic mount and then come back out after I charge it up to another 180 days, stick it right back on there. Point it in any direction.
But let's dive into what makes the Noorio B200 SC so cool. First up, and this is probably my favorite part, wireless magnetic mounting. Seriously, no wires, no drilling, no calling an electrician. You just find the spot, put up the tiny mount, and the camera literally snaps right onto it. Indoors, outdoors, wherever you need it. Installation takes literally minutes. It's security you can set up yourself easily.
And I definitely could recognize myself looking in the camera on my phone. Woohoo! That was so easy to install.
All right, so I'm outside and I want to show you one of the coolest features about this thing. So it comes in two parts. You've got the base, which is magnetic, which attaches just like that. Then you have the ball, and the cool thing about the ball is you can put it any direction that you want, and they're both magnetic. So I've got it here, boom, just like that.
My house has this flash and goes all the way around it. Boom! Install complete.
You see, it's that easy. Every different scene can be switched freely. Convenient installation conditions are a good starting point for a perfect product experience. Noorio welcomes your choice. Noorio makes life simpler.